2024. The world is on the edge of a revolution. Artificial intelligence is no longer science fiction. It's seeping into every aspect of our lives. And at the forefront of this revolution are AI-powered cryptocurrencies. But wait, with so many out there, which ones should you keep your eye on? Buckle up, because we're about to reveal the top 5 AI crypto coins that could potentially change the game in 2024. A new class of digital assets known as AI crypto coins has emerged in the ever-changing world of digital finance. As a result of the combination of artificial intelligence, AI, and cryptocurrencies. These cutting-edge tools use AI to completely transform a number of Bitcoin industry sectors. What are the best cryptocurrencies based on artificial intelligence, AI? Let us explore the world of the top 5 AI-related cryptocurrency coins. These coins hold the potential to transform the landscape of electronic financial transactions. In addition to representing the coming together of cutting-edge technologies. Fetch.ai. Fetch was founded in 2017 by a team based in Cambridge, UK, and launched on Binance via IEO in March 2019. Fetch.ai seeks to redefine the digital economy by eliminating the need for human intervention. The robot revolution begins. Fetch fuels a network of autonomous agents, little AI helpers running around the blockchain, making decisions and optimizing your life. Imagine your fridge ordering groceries while your car autonomously adjusts your heating based on the weather. That's Fetch.ai in action. The path of Fetch.ai has not been static. The platform has changed throughout time in response to the ever-changing technological and market conditions. Significant changes occurred in 2023 for Fetch.ai. Most notably, a rise in valuation that was linked to the increased interest in decentralized peer-to-peer, P2P AI frameworks. It was first released as an ERC20 token. But with the mainnet debut, it changed into a native token. Fetch.ai's market performance metrics have shown both bearish pressures and spikes. Fed coin values surged around 131% in early 2023 due to a number of improvements. The FET token from Fetch.ai is predicted to have a minimum price of 0.58 and a maximum price of 1.28 in 2024, indicating a stable growth trend. As of December 27, 2023, the live Fetch.ai price was 0.6935 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $99.23 USD. 2. SingularityNET AGIX. SingularityNET is a blockchain-driven platform that, through its globally accessible AI marketplace, enables anybody to create, share, and monetize AI services with ease. Users can explore, test, and buy a wide range of AI services through the SingularityNET marketplace using AGIX, the native utility token of the platform. The network raised $36 million in less than a minute during its initial coin offering, ICO, in December of the same year, after it had been first announced in 2017. The AGI coin is the central component of SingularityNET's ecosystem. As the native cryptocurrency, AGI is essential to the platform's business model. It acts as a conduit for financial transactions inside the SingularityNET ecosystem, making it easier to buy AI services and paying suppliers. This coin uses the Ethereum proof-of-work consensus mechanism and is based on the ERC20 standard. As of December 27, 2023, The live SingularityNET price was $0.334 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 61,042,718 USD. Cortex, CTXC. The decentralized blockchain platform Cortex is open source and peer-to-peer. The native coin of the Cortex blockchain platform, Cortex, CTXC, is intended to encourage and facilitate the incorporation of artificial intelligence, AI models, into its decentralized network. Cortex, CTXC, was established on April 16, 2018, and it functions autonomously, utilizing a proof-of-work, POW, consensus process. Cortex stands out for its attention to the issues surrounding the deployment of AI systems on a global blockchain. Researchers studying machine learning from all over the world can use this tool to upload their AI models to the Cortex public chain. Because of its decentralized nature, this strategy allows for the growth of a diversified ecosystem, in which users can pay using CTXC tokens to access models that developers have shared. CTXC's usefulness goes beyond simple Cortex ecosystem transactions. Additionally, users can obtain CTXC through trading activities as the token is traded on a number of cryptocurrency platforms. The cryptocurrency's liquidity and wider market accessibility are enhanced by its availability on exchanges. As at December 29, 2023, the live Cortex price was $0.42551 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $9,322.7 USD. Ocean Protocol, Ocean. In 2017, Bruce Pond and AI researcher Trent McConaughey founded Ocean Protocol, a decentralized data exchange protocol aimed at transforming data value and accessibility for AI and other applications. Ocean Protocol enables safe and private data sharing by combining blockchain technology, decentralized networks, and cryptographic methods. Ocean is the name of the native cryptocurrency used by Ocean Protocol. The network has a 1.41 billion Ocean token supply cap as of the most recent data available in 2023. Staking is one of the main applications of Ocean. Token owners can take part in staking by locking their Ocean tokens, which essentially turns them into liquidity suppliers for particular data sets. These stakeholders receive a portion of the exchange fees that the associated Ocean dataset pool generates in exchange. As of December 30th, 2023, the live Ocean Protocol price was $0.53246 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 59,171.30 USD. Render RNDR. Designed in 2009 by CEO of Otoy Inc. Jules Erbach, RNDR launched in 2017 and saw its first public token sale in October of that year. Subsequently, from January to May of 2018, a private sale period saw the sale of 117 to 43 Power 39 RNDR at a price of 1 RNDR, Brainerd 0.5 USD equivalent of token. Designed on top of the Ethereum blockchain, Render Token, RNDR, is a distributed GPU rendering network that seeks to link studios and artists in need of GPU computing capacity with mining partners who are prepared to rent out their GPU capabilities. Imagine creating movie-quality special effects on your laptop powered by a community of computers around the world. That's the power of RNDR. As of December 27, 2023, the live render price was $5.088 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 318,882 for 33 USD. These currencies are leading the way in changing the digital asset market. Whether it is through enhancing trading tactics, strengthening security protocols, or providing individualized financial services, these artificial intelligence, AI-powered cryptocurrencies act as lights on a route towards a more sophisticated and effective future for the digital finance industry as the industry continues to change. Remember, the future is uncertain. It is not set in stone. It's shaped by the choices we make today. But these AI crypto coins represent the cutting edge of technology, with the potential to disrupt entire industries and reshape our world. Will you be a passive observer or an active participant in the AI revolution? The choice is yours. So do your research, invest wisely, and get ready to ride the wave of the AI revolution. 2024 could be the year that changes everything. Subscribe to our channel and stay informed. Together, we can unlock the incredible potential of AI and change the world for the better.